Coming up in part 3 of restoring your 2006 HSV Senator on a limited budget. So I'll show you here. Look all the water inside this door. Look at it there. See, look, lots of it. So let's drain that out there. So I'm not sure if there was a sticker on this before and that's just come off and there's nothing sort of fading there, but I don't know. My name is Matt and you're watching Curtis LSA YouTube channel. Right, so I'm not sure if you can hear through the microphone or the camera. There's all water sloshing around inside this door, especially down this area. So what I'm going to do is take off this door card, and also when I'm driving I can hear the water go forward and then backwards. So I've never taken the door card off of a vehicle before, so it's the first time attempting this. So I assume there'd be a screw around here somewhere. Also the screw in there where the door handle is would need to come off. There's a couple, there's one there, and also underneath as well. Now also the door light at the bottom is not working, so I bet you, where is it? There it is there. If I take that out, water's going to come out of there. So yeah, just bear with me and I'll get this door card off and I'll see why the water is not draining out of the door. So we've got this screw out underneath the door armrest, and we've also got the screws out from underneath the door. I've popped the light out. Surprisingly no water come out of there. I've taken the screws out here as well. Got this one here as well. Make sure you don't forget that one. Now I'm told to get this door card off, you've got to hold it up here and then pull it from the actual armrest out. I'm going to need 2 hands to do that. So the next part of this video will be the door card actually off the door. Right, so you can see that the actual door card is off now. Now don't forget your cables here connected to your lock and your handle to open the door. Make sure you mark those because they need to go back in on order. The top part here of the plastic is all come away and hanging off. I haven't taken that plastic off, as you can quite clearly see, but I'm going to pull it all off here and I can actually see water in the bottom of the door here. So that's what's going on there. Up here is pretty good. Here's where it's all loose, and then yeah, that's how it's getting in there. So let's pull this off, get the water out of the door first, and then let's seal that back up and then put the door card back on. And then yeah, when she you can see it's nice clear sunny day today. When she rains again, we'll see if it's filling up with water. So I'll show you here. Look all the water inside this door. Look at it there. See, look, lots of it. So let's drain that out there, seal all this back up properly, and then put the door card back on the door. Now time has come to put the door card back on. Now you got to obviously do it the way you took it off. So here's your 2 clips here. They slide onto the actual door card and then all the clips go in. I'll show you. Here's our door card. So those 2 clips I just showed you there go here and here. So you work from this end first, as in this end first goes on, it sort of slides on, and then it clips on from towards the actual body of the car, and then you can put all your screws back in, but all the clips and everything back here, nothing looks broken, still looks fairly new if you ask me. So let's get all this back on, and make sure you put your locking mechanism and actual handle itself cables back in before you put the door card back on the door. That's vitally important, obviously. So yeah, here's your 2 cables here. I've marked the top one for the lock and the one for the actual handle, so make sure they go back in. There's a little ball on the each end of these cables here that actually goes into here. You can see down there. So yeah, put the actual ball inside where it actually fits inside there, and then you can move the actual lock and handle itself. So let's get to it. Right, door card is back on. As I mentioned before, when you've got the card back on, put this screw in first, and then you can work your way around underneath and around that side as well. So I didn't actually realize how easy it was to take a door card off. I've never done it before. Anyway, check the door like this, and there's no water sloshing around inside. I've cleaned out all the rubber underneath here, so hopefully if water does get back in there, then it drains out properly. I've shut the door. Sweet as. The joys of having a driveway full of HSVs. Right, so I've ordered the stickers, so I'll be repainting these, sanding them down, putting a white sticker on the calipers, show you the rear end as well. There was never any sticker on the rear of these, I don't think, from memory, but yeah, I've ordered 4 stickers, so there'll be one for each brake caliper. And then after the calipers themselves, I'll be taking these rims in and I'll be getting them fixed up. I'm actually with the HSV Club of Queensland, and they've got a sponsor which is called Fix a Rim, I was told. So yeah, you can see there quite a lot of curb bashes, nearly 20 years old, this vehicle. Rightio, so here we go, wheel is off. So let's get to taping everything off that you don't want spray paint getting on, especially all your brake lines at the back, or your suspension. Do your wheel arch as well, and obviously the most important part, you don't want spray paint getting in where the pistons are for the brakes themselves. Preparation is the key. Now that's coating number 3, looking pretty good. I'll do one more coat, so I'm told to wait 10 minutes between each coat, and then once that's done, let it dry for 45 minutes and then put the clear coat on. Right, so all the bags are off, tapes are out. No paint where there shouldn't be, nothing on the brake lines, nothing where the pistons are for the pads themselves, nothing on the actual rotor. Just a bit of an interesting thing though, this here is not slotted rotor, but this side is. As you can see there. Interesting. But yeah, there is a little bit of a run just here, unfortunately. Now, I'm not a professional painter, and this is being done on a limited budget, as the title says. But yeah, if you're not confident in doing this, one word, don't. Get someone else to do it. This is the first time I've done this, so it's not a professional job, and as I said before, there is a little bit of a run there, but you actually see the caliper now without the sticker on it. So in part 4 of restoring your 2006 HSV VE Senator, I will finish all the remaining 3 brake calipers and put the HSV stickers on as well. Give them a nice gloss. My name is Matt, and you're watching Curtis LSA YouTube channel.